Hello grade 10 students. Welcome to another virtual class. I am Ms. Madhu Vadke. We are studying chapter 6, triangles, and we are learning how to apply the criteria for similarity of triangles, that is angle, side, side and side angle side, by solving questions of exercise 6.3. In today's video lesson, we will continue with same and solve some more questions based on the same concept. Question number 11. E is a point on side CB produced of an isosceles triangle ABC with AB equal to AC. If AD is perpendicular to BC and EF is perpendicular to AC, prove that triangle ABD and triangle ECF are similar. Since these triangles are overlapping, let's separate them. Let's write down what is given in the question. AB is equal to AC. AD is perpendicular to BC. EF is perpendicular to AC. What do we have to prove? Triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF. Look at the main figure. In triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. So what can we say about the base angles B and C? These two angles are going to be equal. We have studied this result in grade 9 that angles opposite to equal sides in a triangle are equal. So let's mark these equal angles in the two triangles. Angle B will be equal to angle C. So we have one angle in these two triangles equal. Now AD is perpendicular to BC, so this angle is 90. Similarly, EF is perpendicular to AC, so EF is perpendicular to FC, so this angle is going to be 90. So now we have two corresponding angles equal in these two triangles, and so we can say that they are similar by angle. AB equal to AC is given. So this implies angle B is equal to angle C. Reason: angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So now we can mention the two corresponding angles in triangle ABD and triangle ECF. Angle B is equal to C, proved, and angle ADB is equal to angle EFC. Each is 90. So this implies triangle ABD is similar to triangle ECF by angle. Question number 12. Sides AB and BC and median AD of triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ, QR and median PM of triangle PQR. So this information that is given in words in the question needs to be written in mathematical form. AB corresponds to PQ, BC corresponds to QR and median AD corresponds to median PM, and these are proportional. It means that AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AD upon PM. This is given in the question. we have to prove triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Let's recall what is a median. A median is a line drawn from vertex of a triangle bisecting the opposite side. So AD is drawn from vertex A such that D is a point on the opposite side BC, cutting BC into two equal halves. So we have BD equal to DC and QM equal to MR, as PM is also median. So BD is equal to DC and BC can be written as 2 times BD. Reason: AD is a median. Similarly, QM is equal to MR and we can write QR as 2 times QM. Again, reason will be PM is a median. So what we will do is we will replace BC with 2BD and QR with 2QM in this ratio. Replacing BC and QR, we get AB upon PQ equal to 2 times BD upon 2 times QM equal to AD upon PM. So this 2 and 2 cancels. So we are left with AB upon PQ equal to BD upon QM equal to AD upon PM. Locate these ratios in the figure. AB upon PQ is equal to BD upon QM is equal to AD upon PM. So we have all three sides of triangle ABD proportional to corresponding sides of triangle PQM. So we can say that these two triangles are similar by SSS. So triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM by SSS. So if these two triangles are similar, we can say their corresponding angles are equal. So we can say that angle B is equal to Q, corresponding angles of similar triangles. Also, from what is given, we are going to pick up only these two ratios. AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. Mark this step as 1 and this as 2. Now locate these angles and these sides in the figure. Angle B is equal to angle Q. AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. So, in triangle ABC, we have two sides proportional to two corresponding sides of triangle PQR, and the included angle between the proportional sides are also equal. So what can we say about these two triangles? They are also similar by side angle side. So from 1 and 2, we can write triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR by side angle side. And this is what we have to prove in the question. Question number 13. D is a point on the side BC of a triangle ABC. So let's draw a triangle ABC. D is a point on BC. So let's say D is over here, such that angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. So these two angles are given equal. Let's write down what is given. To prove that CA square equal to CB into CD, we are going to tweak what is to be proved slightly so that we are able to prove this question. So I'm going to write CA square as CA into CA equal to CB into CD. So shifting terms to the left and right, I can write this mathematical equation as equal ratios. That is, I will shift CD to the left side and CA to the right side. So I will get CA upon CD equal to CB upon CA. Now we have two ratios and we have to show them equal. In order to show these two ratios equal, we have to find the triangles to which these ratios belong. So look at the terms in the numerator. CA and CB belongs to which triangle? CA and CB belongs to triangle ABC. And CD and CA belongs to triangle CAD. So now we know which two triangles we have to show similar. So let's write down. In triangle ABC and triangle CDA, since these two triangles are overlapping, let's separate them. So this is triangle ADC and this is triangle ABC. We are given in the question that angle CAB is equal to angle ADC. And from the main figure we can see that angle C is a common angle in these two triangles. So now we have two corresponding angles in these two triangles equal. So these two triangles are similar by angle. In triangle ABC and triangle ADC, angle CAB is equal to angle ADC. This is given. Angle ACB is equal to angle ACD. These are common angles. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle. What will be the order? Vertex A of triangle ABC corresponds to vertex D of triangle ADC, and vertex C of triangle ABC corresponds to vertex C of triangle ADC. So we can write triangle ABC is similar to triangle DAC by angle criterion. Now we can write down the ratios. AC upon DC will be equal to BC upon AC. So when you cross multiply, we will get AC square equal to BC into DC. In order to arrive at this result, it is important to write the correct order of similarity. Only then we can write the ratios correctly, and on cross multiplying we will get correct answer. With this we come to the end of this video lesson. Your assignment is example 8 from NCERT textbook, which is similar to question number 12 that we did in today's video lesson. Follow the steps of question number 12 and try to write down the steps of solution, and only then open your textbook to check your steps. See you in the next class. Until then, goodbye.